students, welcome in EVS class. Children, this time I am going to teach you EVS subject. Our first lesson is globe, map and earth. Children, this topic is very interesting. It covers many important things in itself. I know many of you don't have books right now, so I am not reading the line of the lesson but try to explain you every detail of each topic. So please pay attention here. You know students, our earth is the only planet where life is possible. Our earth is unique planet where air, water and land exists, which is the primary source of living being. But how can we know that our earth or about our earth, whether it is round, flat or any other shape? Many of you know that earth is round, isn't it? How do we know it? We know this through satellite. In your previous class, you already studied about satellite. So, simply to know about the location or shape of Earth, a globe was being made. What is a globe? Globe is a small model of Earth. We can say that it is a short picture of Earth. Okay? But yes, it displays all necessary information about our Earth. It shows us the shape and location of continents, oceans, seas, countries, etc. This is the picture of globe. We can see only half of the globe at one time. And if we want to see other side, we have to turn it around. It can be turned around a line passing through it is called axis. From this axis, it can turn about. The two end points on this axis of rotation are called poles. This pole. One north pole is there and south pole is here. To the north, it is north pole and to the south, it is south pole. Now children, listen carefully. At the middle of the globe, this line, this blue line you can see very well. At the middle of the globe, between the poles, an imaginary line circling the earth. It is called equator. It divides the earth into two halves called hemisphere. These two halves is called hemisphere. To the north of equator is the northern hemisphere and to the south of this is called southern hemisphere. Okay. I think you understood much about this topic of globe. Now we are coming to our next topic, that is called map. Have you seen any map? In your book, I am showing you one type of map. Here it is. In a book, this map is given as an example. Now, I want to tell you or remind you that when your father searching for any city or distance between the cities, he used Google Map on your mobile. Do you remember this? Yes, that is a map. A map is a drawing of the earth. A map, here it is written, a map is a drawing of the earth on a part of it on a flat surface. These maps are of different types, like first political map, physical map and thematic map. What is political map? Political map shows us different countries, states, cities, towns and villages. Physical map. Second one is physical map. It shows detail about river, mountain, plain, plateaus, etc. Now we are coming to the thematic map. It shows details about certain themes such as rainfall, forest, soil, weather, road, etc. The details are shown in the form of different symbols, words, lines or colors so that it can cover maximum information. The science of map making is known as cartography. Now children, there is a homework for you. You just do it after seeing this video. Question 1. What is a globe? Second, what is equator? Third, what is a map? And fourth is write down different types of map. Okay? Thank you. Happy learning.